Welcome to the version 1 SAM Teams series of short fireside chats. My name is Jason Pepper and I will be joined in these sessions by my colleague Brian Lavelle. In each of these videos we will take a few minutes to talk about all things software asset management and license optimization and highlight some of the license impacts caused by typical business compelling events or change. In this chat we'll discuss some of the challenges and pitfalls when trying to cancel Oracle software support in an attempt to reduce cost, and what actions you can take to reduce ongoing support spend without impacting existing maintenance contracts or compliance.
So if we think about a support perspective for the support and maintenance of on-premise licenses, if a customer was looking to kind of reduce their OPEX spend from a support maintenance perspective, what are the main problems with that, especially say from an Oracle perspective?
Yeah, so it's something that a lot of customers want to do, and once they start looking at it, realise that it's quite a headache, and it's made very specifically to be like that. The way Oracle work it from that point of view is, if you have a contract with, say, 10 products on it, you don't use one of them, so you want to remove that. What they do is they say, right, well, if you had have bought the rest of the licenses without that at the time, what discount level would we have given you, what would the cost have been, historical pricing, etc., etc. So there's a long-winded, very grey area calculation that goes into it, and what comes out is that once you remove those products, you pay either the same or slightly more than you did when you started. So it's something that feels like it should be easy, but it's very much not. It's normally not cost-effective at all to remove products,
really?
just on the basis of, we're not using this, let's just remove it.
So if I understand you correctly, what you're saying is even though you've removed a product from your support and maintenance stream, there is a potential that your annual support costs could either stay the same or go up.
Yeah, and most of the time we see them go up rather than anything else.
Okay.
So
what can what can customers do to kind of optimize that situation?
So one of the main ways of doing it is to look at your estate both from a usage perspective and licensing as a whole. So rather than look at one contract and say, I don't need that line item, look at all of your licenses across your entire estate and say, right, well, we don't need those, but rather than cancelling them off that contract, what we can actually do is we can cancel them off a different contract, which only includes that plus one other product that we're not really using, or whatever it is. There's loads of different ways to do it. Once you have a view of everything, rather than just tunnel vision looking at one contract. Because when it's one contract, you have no room really to do anything, whereas overall, you can probably work out something to do with it.
Okay.
But it does require a bit of effort, and we tend to see people who, come up with a plan that says, right, over the next 18 months, what we're going to do is we're not going to renew this one, and then in 9 months' time, we're not going to renew this one. So it's a long process to get there, but the benefit of potentially being able to remove, what can be hundreds of thousands of pounds in support is worth the effort of putting that time into it.
Right. Okay. So a little bit of effort to kind of understand the position.
Yeah.
And then drafting potentially a long-term game plan could reap those benefits at the end.
Exactly. It's not we have a renewal coming up in May, so let's have a quick look now and see what we can do. The reality is you're not going to do anything, but next May, after you've done the work now, potentially there's something there.
So you need a 12 to 18 month kind of runway to get to that point.
Exactly, yeah.
Excellent. Great. Thanks.
This fireside chat is part of a series of chats covering a wide range of license topics which you can find at our SAM YouTube playlist below. You can also review our content on LinkedIn by using the hashtag SAMVideoChat. Finally, if you have a license concern or would like to understand how your IT projects impact your enterprise licensing, please contact us for an initial complimentary consultation at www.version1.com/contact. Thank you.